Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Do we have a great video for you today? Today we're going to feature this beautiful home, 1,500 square foot in beautiful Las Cruces, New Mexico. Now I'm going to tell you all the good about this community and why I love this area. You're going to see why this is a really nice community, well established. And also the views are fantastic. We got a really nice privacy wall. The home that we are going to feature is over here. So let's go check it out. So please don't leave. We're going to tell you how beautiful this home is here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. So let's go after it right now. Okay guys, so first of all, let's go ahead and feature this home here on the outside. So this is the side right here. Look at this. You have this beautiful, oh guys, we have a beautiful, well-maintained yard over here. And that's what we're going to see right now. So this home here, I'll give you everything, all the details that you need to know about it. But you know how it is. We always want to feature everything. We also have a newer roof, which is fantastic. So let's go inside the home. All right. Okay guys, here we go. This is how you would see the home. Okay guys, so this home here, I love it. It's a split floor plan, okay? So it's 1,561 square feet, it's a good size home. Let's go ahead and go to the third bedroom right here. As you can see, really nice, good size bedroom. Now what I love about this home is that you have a restroom in between these two rooms that are shared. Let's go ahead and see this. And then there's the granite sink, as you can see. Beautiful, right? Hi, kitty. Yeah, there's a little kitty there, guys. All right, let's go into the second bedroom, which is right here. We're using it as an office. You guys let me know in the comments. Would you use this as an office? What would you do with it? Please let me know. Wonderful. Okay guys, yeah. So now remember, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Las Cruces, New Mexico, my name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Let's go ahead and go into the living room. Beautiful living room, good size, open concept. Let's go ahead and talk about the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. Nice granite countertops. I mean, beautiful cabinets as well. You have your gas stove, and then you have your washer and dryer here. This door leads to the garage. Everyone knows what a garage is, and there's a two-car garage, so you don't really have to go and see that. Now, if you guys are really interested, then I can go ahead and go in there and shoot video on that, okay? Let's go to the primary bedroom, guys. Primary bedroom. Good size. I love that you have two huge windows there. Let's go and check out the primary bathroom. And I love what they did. They did a shower there. There's a shower walk-in, right? And then you have your nice granite countertop sink. And obviously you have your water throne right there, right? And you have a good sized closet in there as well. Tell me guys, what do you guys think about the tour so far? I love that the home, as you can see, it has vaulted ceilings as well. You got tile throughout the whole house. Did you guys see that? Yeah, I know you did. Tile throughout the whole house, which is fantastic. Also, one thing that I didn't mention, and it's a must, and you need to know, solar panels included. Now you may be wondering, well, there's no more affordable homes here in Las Cruces. Wrong again, guys. The price, you want to know the price? I'll tell you about that price right now. But first, let's go outside because I have a nice treat for you outside. It's really nice. I should have probably opened the door before, right? No, kitty. Oh, nope. Our little friend wants to go outside. Good girl. All right. Okay, guys, sorry, I had to turn off the camera for a little bit. Because I couldn't let the cat out. I couldn't let the cat out of the hat. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's check this out because I love how private this home is. Check this out. I love that it has also concrete around here. You have the privacy wall, and then you have this other huge wall up here. And I love that there's concrete already here. Do you see that? Wonderful. And then you do have, you know, a little garden over here. You have some trees there. I think they're fruit trees, but I'm not sure, guys. Don't quote me on it, okay? Let's look at this side. Nice. All right, guys. Well, I'm pretty sure this wall here can be extended up if you needed more privacy, like this side. What do you guys think? Now, another thing that I didn't mention to you was that you don't have any front neighbors. As we were walking, I don't know if you guys noticed, as we were walking, there's no houses in the front. There's actually a nice walkway, so you can walk the whole community, and you know, you don't have any neighbors. That's another plus. Remember, this house also doesn't have a huge electrical bill because you have solar panels, which is fantastic. Okay, so let's go back in the house and I'll give you all those details. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm glad that the little kitty didn't get out. All right, guys, just as a recap, we have 1,561 square feet, solar panels included, a new roof built in 2022. So they got a new roof in 2022. What is it? 3 years old, right? And if you want more specifics, then reach out to us, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to provide all those details for you. The price is $278,000, guys. Yes, you heard right. $278,000. Hey, guys, I'd like to ask you on the comments, let me know how big your home is and what the cost. Did it cost you $278,000 for a 1,561 square foot home? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know, and I'm pretty sure all our viewers would love to know as well. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I am going to do a community drive so you guys can see the community. So thank you. If you have any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Let's go ahead and do the community drive.